If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making Rabidi. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some cloves and one black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about half a teaspoon of that. Then half a cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, and a pinch of salt. Now in a pan, first add the ghee followed by 4 cups of milk, which is roughly about 1 liter, and bring this to boil first. Then after that, reduce the flame to medium to low, and we need to boil these until the quantity almost reduced to half. That's it. Now add the blended powder, sugar and some salt. Now mix it up really well and further reduce it until it becomes thick, just like this. And this is nothing but Rabri. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, Rabidi. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.